16. Okay, so let's sing a song from Raymond Lochenko. Everybody.
We used to be frightened, scared to try. Things we don't really understand why. But after a moment, we start to cry. We were crazy, not the end is already here. We really just got no chance to chance. Even if our last charades will never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry 'cause it's not the end of everything. I'm maybe miles away. Here's my heart stay with you. My friend, yesterday skies clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughter and tears. And not to mention our doubts and our fears. The hypertension we gave each other again. Don't worry 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here's where my heart will stay with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry 'cause it's not the end of
Bonifacio family. So let's hear a short message from each one of you. We would like to call on Ate Marlene. Ate Marlene? Miss Marlena? Ate Marlene, short message and your gift to the family. Okay, let's hear a short message from Ate Marlene.
Iya siya talaga. Basta goodbye and good luck na lang sa
goodbye.
wala lang goodbye, uy. Hindi good luck. Kasi alam ko magiging mabuti ang lahat. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, the next one who will give a gift and a short message is Miss Leia.
Kasi si Mama Joby talaga yun. Nung bagong panganak ako, salita talaga sila ni Chini. Magbigay ng food para sa akin and na-appreciate ko talaga yun sa kanila. Kaya yung gift na to para sa kanya na hindi na ako makakalimutan. And this won't be the last kasi kukunin ko silang ninong tsaka ninang ni Noah. So for sure, invite ko sila sa Manila para tumalo sa binyag ni Noah. So, best wishes sa inyo and I know you have still a lot of good future in the Philippines. Whatever purpose God's give you, because of this, your decision to exceed, and I wish you all the best. And God will bless you more. So next will be Mama Chini.
I know marami kayong mga agam-agam, marami kayong questions, doubts for the past few months. Pero sabi niya sa Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans that I have for you, plans to prosper and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." So I know God has been continuously guiding you in all your decisions. And we will pray for your beautiful journey sa Philippines or whatever your plans will be. God will always be with you. God will always protect you. And God will always give you the contentment, the peace, and the happiness for your whole family. God bless you, Bonifacio family. You've been a very good neighbor, friends sa aming lahat. And we will continue to cherish yung mga memories natin. And we will wrap you with prayers. Thank you very much and bon voyage.
Now we would like to call on John Jr. from Hip-Hop family. And together with the goal. Okay. Any message po? All?
Ikaw din po.
Ate and Kuya, I know this is a bittersweet moment for you now. Happy me na naka-decide mo na makaulit. At the same time, sad po me, syempre, for the years na nag-banding ka, dili masarap emotion. Maiwanan ako sa inyo duwa, ate and kuya. You've been a good neighbor, you've been a good sister and a brother. Tay, mamiss na ako ang papalister. Kaya kuya, tuloy ang kaako nyo. Basta i-continue na lang nato sa sa Pilipinas, sa itong banding. Basta hatsa ako, ako magkita. Yes. I'm so thankful and grateful for our community sa Atayba because I wish na bisan asa man ito mapadulong. I wish the same people like you. You're so kind, you're so good. I wish nga kung asa man, wherever everyone is going for, we are always wishing the same people like you. So thankful tayo that we know you for being a part of our life. I know this is not goodbye, but we will continue to celebrate and make happy moments sa Pilipinas na lang. Thank you sa inyong tanan. And good luck.
Ay, sige, goodbye na lang eh. Dili, bitaw mo isa. Pila kaya kaya buko ng panahon na kuban ka pero. Ay, maiksi yung panahon na tayo nagsama. Pero nakita ko yung mga kabutihan niyo at saka yung pagkaano natin. Pagkamatulungin sa exercise. Tapos, yun, hindi namin malimutan. Yung gawa, yung tiya, yung mandi. Pero, lahat naman tayo, hindi naman tayo magtagal dito sa Saudi. Mas parehas tayo na, gusto ko na rin uwi, pero, at least naka-design na kayo, maganda yun. Nandiyan man palagi ang Panginoon. Dasal lang. Para sa kinabukasan ng mga bata. Kami nga natin ba? Pagpapanood din sila. Maliit pa hanggang umagay. Nandiyan na si Celia. Dito nga rin. Ito rin si Nico.
Palang araw, baka nandun kayo sa Amerika na. Inshallah. So, next, kita pa tayo sa Pilipinas. Alangan ng limantuan naman. Salamat na lang sa lahat ng ano natin ha. Joe, salamat. Junior! Antonia! Antonia! Oy, Tess, saan to? Ano yan? Lagi yan, nasa istorya mo ka. Oh, sinong sunod?
And Nicole. The next one is, we would like to call on Miss Cheryl and Elvis.
Hindi man tayo lagi nagsasama kasi kung sa rest ng trabaho. Pero pagdating pa naman sa akin, itong party, nararamdaman namin itong pagiging pagtanggap ng pagtanggap sa aming nagsasabi niya. Sa tayo ba natin sa ikikuya. Sa inakaraan actually. Ano na lang, good luck and good luck sa aming journey. Salamat.
Thank you so much, Mary. Any message, sabi General Elvis? Halika na. Kakataon mo na to.
Sabihin mo, Get. Hindi kayo kasama sa basketball. Magkalaban kayo.
Magkalaban.
Magkasama kami pagkanalimahan. Wala akong masabi pero salamat sa pagsasama natin sa mga birthday. Yung miss ko yung China. Yung pagkano natin maglalaro ng basketball, samahan natin. Kahit pa paano na. Hindi man yun nga, sabi nila, hindi man tayo magkasama sa team. Pero pagdating naman ng limahan, magkakasama pa rin tayo ang pag-team natin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana better yung desisyon nyo. Next journey is maging maganda yung mapupuntahan sa plano nyo. God has plan for everybody. So, good luck. Ingat kayo.
Thank you, Engineer Elvis. Sino pa gusto umiyak?
Ikaw na.
Wala na. Ako na pala. Okay. Thank you. Jokes, I have a special gift for you. This is a lucky charm. It symbolizes good health, fortune, and happiness. Okay? And money, it will attract money to your family. So, mayaman na kayo niyan. Okay? Ito yung ano. Okay? So, my only wish for you is happiness, success to whatever your plans in life. I'm sure your family will be successful in the next coming future, no? So, good luck. Judy, thank you for everything. Napaka-mabait na neighbors nitong dalawang ito. Ano ba yun? Kumbaga, all out kung magbigay ng help. Pag may mga activities, may mga pinagkakaabalahan doon sa compound namin. Especially Junie. Grabe talaga si Junie. Saludo kami sa'yo, Junie. Salud! Thank you so much. So that ends our mga salamat and good luck party to the Masyo family. Congratulations and good luck.
هدية وش؟ سلامات. Go picture. Picture.
Thanks to you.
myself.